welcome back to Things You Can Do, because if I can do it, it means that you can do it too. So today we'll be changing our oil tank filter. This job shouldn't take you more than around 15 minutes and shouldn't cost you more than around $6. Now, in order to get this done by a professional, you're looking at $100+ for them to just come in and change this filter. Now, big disclaimer, people, if you do this, it means that you're gonna have to shut your furnace off. Right, along with your furnace, you're gonna have to shut the supply off from your oil tank, which means that at the end of this process, you're gonna have to bleed the air from your oil line in order to get your furnace to relight. Now, I did not do a tutorial on this, unfortunately, but I found one that helped me perfectly that I will be linking in the description. Anyways, let's talk and let's get this done. Now, in this bag, you'll find your filter, of course, and you'll also find a few washers. Unfortunately, none of the washers fit. I had to use the old one. You're gonna also need a 16mm wrench if it's the same setup as mine. The first thing you want to do is to turn off your main switch to your furnace. Then you want to locate your oil tank filter and turn off the valve that supplies your furnace with fuel. You turn this counterclockwise, all right? Alright, I made the mistake of not turning this thing off and we had a lot of fuel that leaked out. Remember, it's counterclockwise. Remove the old filter and save that washer that's already in. Go ahead and clean out your pan. Then go ahead and slap that new filter in. It should fit tight. Go ahead and put your washer back on. Go ahead and line up that pan. Slap your washer back on. And go ahead and slide that bolt in the middle. You can end tight, and then you're going to use your 16mm wrench to tighten. Again, shouldn't take you more than around 15 minutes to get this done. Thanks for watching.